Hello everyone, here I am today. I have brought you to this favorite store of mine in Chandigarh, Sector 40, and you are coming shopping with me. So welcome to Sweet Magnolia. This is Nidhi Gill and I have brought you today. Along with me, you are here at Teg Exports. This is one of my favorite stores in Chandigarh to pick up my cushions, my runners, my dining sheets, my bed sheets, rugs, throws. This is a one-stop shop and a dream store for any decor enthusiast. By the look of it, मुझे लग रहा है कि आज कुछ नया stock आया है इनके पास. And the only fear that I have when I have to enter the shop is कि मेरे पर्स में कितना कुछ बचेगा. पर्स चलो UPI में कितना कुछ बचेगा. Normally मेरा बैंक पूरा खाली हो जाता है every time I come to the store. And let's not talk much and let me show you what they have. So here we are inside the store now, and the store is loaded with beautiful stuff. And this is where they have all their candle stands and stuff like that. I have already found something beautiful. $15. This we are taking. Like I said, everything is so irresistible that you just want to pick up so much. So there are some very nice pieces. So this store is an export surplus store, and I have to say that this is not like any other export surplus store which you have all over Instagram. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion. इन्होंने तो मैंने बुलाया भी नहीं सी वैसे. वो तो मैं वैसे ही आ गई because I come here all the time. But so this is pretty genuine, and stuff is really nice. I have been buying from them since years. So every place I see, I was just looking around my house today. Everything has either a tag torn from the store, or most, not everything, but most stuff. So या एक विजिट तो बनती है आप सबकी, मेरी तो मल्टीपल बनती हैं और होती हैं. So you'll find these wonderful candle stands also, which I'm not going to pick up because you've seen them all over my house. I have so many of them, right? But in case you are looking for something like this is a good place to buy. So this is one of my favorite corners of the store. Cushion covers. इतने सुंदर जनरली कभी नहीं भी होते, पर आज तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं सब. एंड आई नेवर प्लान, लाइक मोस्ट हस्बैंड्स वुड आस्क यू तुम्हें लेना क्या है. मुझे कुछ नहीं लेना होता, मैं सिर्फ ऐसे ही आती हूँ. सो इट गिव्स माई आत्मा शांति व्हेन आई कम हियर, एंड दिस इज सो डिस्ट्रेसिंग, है ना. सो आई शैल नॉट टॉक एंड आई शैल स्टार्ट माई डिस्ट्रेसिंग प्रोसेस, एंड यू कैन जॉइन मी इन द जर्नी. Powder blue cushion cover and has embroidery on it. So I'll just see if I can find another piece which is similar. Such a beautiful embroidered piece, and there are many more, but I can't do it myself, so I'll have to ask for help. And थोड़ा है कोई मुंडा जिरा आके थोड़ा जहला दूँगा. Oh, so soft. It's really nice. So our shopping mode is over. We are all done, and I'm in the Kangal zone again. So yeah, what I've bought, how am I going to use it, how much did it cost me, and how am I going to style it? Wait and watch. So yesterday I took you to this store in Chandigarh, Teg Exports. सामान हमने बहुत खरीद लिया, bags हमने ले लिए, और now we are on our way back to Delhi. So once we reach Delhi, I shall show you what all I picked up and also how I'm going to style it. So here we are, finally home. Hello, Cuckoo! Hello, Cuckoo! Hello, Cuckoo! So this is our welcome party. जब भी आप घर वापस आए, तुम्हारे बच्चे में ऐसे कूद के पारी करते, पारियां करते, है ना. अंदर आ जाओ, अंदर गर्मी है बाहर बहुत, बाहर नहीं जाएंगे हम. पानी पिला दो प्लीज। सो हियर वी आर, हम घर आ गए हैं और आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू शो यू व्हाट आई गॉट। तो सेलिंग तो मैं करूँगी कल, बट अभी मैं आपको जल्दी जल्दी दिखा ज़रूर दूँगी कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है। ओके, चलो जी। Finally the AC is here. Those 5 minutes when you walk from the car to the room is killing. Delhi is burning. Nevertheless, I'm excited. एक गिलास पानी पीते हैं और फिर मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया। अब ज़्यादा अच्छे से अप्रिशिएट करने के थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्स ही पहनने पड़ते हैं ना। All right. So this is a bed cover that I picked up. अब तो हमारा है, अब तो हम इसे खोल के देख सकते हैं। So basically this is a cotton handloom bed cover जो cotton weave के साथ है and very thick, not quilted. Generally मैं quilted bed covers use करती हूँ because दूसरे slip होते हैं, but this is the kind, it has some kind of embossing on it and yeah, and this has cost me how much? This has cost me 1900 rupees. For a double bed cover, I think 1900 is quite a fair deal. ठीक ठाक है, मतलब मुझे सही लग रहा है और not bad at all. Okay, अब इतनी पेशेंस मुझ में है नहीं, तो मैं इसे उल्टा करके फटाफट से निकाल देती हूँ और आपको दिखाती हूँ। So this is a chapati wrapper that I got. Oh, this I have to show you. ये थोड़ा off the season है। इसे मैं स्टाइल करूँगी अराउंड फॉल सीजन बिकॉज दैट्स द टाइम जब पम्पकिन का वो होता है। बट दीज ब्यूटिफुल एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड, इफ यू सी क्लोजली, दे आर नाइसली एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड and they have such a beautiful zigzag lace finish. And this one kitchen towel has cost me 150 rupees from Teg Exports, Sector 40, SCO 105. I shall, आपको वैसे तो पैकेट पे आपको मिल जाएगा उसका पूरा एड्रेस and they are on Instagram as well. I shall tag them for sure. And but still मैं आपको पास से दिखा देती हूँ। SCO 105 Sector 40C चंडीगढ़। This is Teg Exports. Okay? तो ये हैं kitchen napkins and this is one cute little mat. I pick up a lot of single mats because इन्हें मैं ट्रे का वजह से यूज़ करती हूँ। So every time उससे क्या फ़ायदा होता है कि one it looks classy and second your glasses and your cups and all they don't slip, है ना। और अगर by chance अगर लेके जाते हुए कभी थोड़ा स्पिल हो भी जाता है, आपकी चाय या आपका पानी कुछ भी स्पिल हो जाता है, the fabric absorbs it and it is not dripping from the glass or the cup. So that's one reason why I always use tray covers, and that's the reason why I pick up these kind of single napkins, single mats, sorry, not napkins, single mats. Napkins so ye hain, these are kitchen towels, not napkins, kitchen towels. This is again another autumn fall kind of theme, and this one is so cute, you have to see this. It's a patchwork with embroidery and this lovely lace, such a different kind of color. And again 150 rupees. This is another one and then another one and another one, and this doesn't have any embroidery, it has print but it has a fringe kind of lace niche. Then I picked up an apron and I picked up another one of this, and oh, I picked up some lovely cushions as well. See these cushions, they have embroidery, they have beadwork. I think बहुत सारा दिखा लिया मैंने आपको. This is again another kitchen towel. I love lemons. I think lemon इस season में वैसे भी it's a very very in kind of a print and design. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. This is a runner. Okay. Oh, beautiful cushions, cushion covers. Very different, unique kind of, color combination I picked up. Grays and mustard. So when I style this, this is going to be the main color combination, the highlight kind of color combination. Yes, and then lots more. ये daffodils वाला एक और runner मैंने लिया है जिसके ऊपर embroidery भी हुई है and print भी है. चलिए, अब बहुत हो गई बात, and let me just style it for you all and show you how lovely the stuff looks. Okay, एक मैं आपको और बताती हूँ. This one bed sheet, it feels like butter on your skin. It is so good. Such amazing quality of cotton they have. Another thing I really don't want you to miss is this cushion cover. I've spoken about this, and the price for this one is, have a look at it, look yourself, 400 rupees. 400 रुपए में एक velvet base के ऊपर embroidered cushion cover. चलिए, अब लगे थोड़ा काम पे. नहीं, अभी नहीं करते, अभी बहुत थके हैं. कल करेंगे काम और कल आपको दिखाएंगे कि क्या हमने किया. How I style it. So here we are, as promised, कि आज हम करेंगे styling of everything that we picked up from Tig Exports, Chandigarh. I showed you the cushion covers, which cost me 400 rupees each, and the texture is velvety और ये इसके ऊपर पूरे पे embroidery है. This cushion cover again I picked up from the same place. This one also I picked up from the same place. This throw I had also picked up from the store, from the same store, but ये मैंने इस बार नहीं खरीदा. I had picked this up during जब हल्की winter थी. That was the time when I had picked this up. But since it goes with the colors, so I thought I might as well use it. And because it is from the same place, why not? And so we have some nice cushions here, and I have some nice picture frames that I shall also show you. And what else do I have from that place? Let's see. And I shall start styling it, and you can watch. I'm going to start with styling this beautiful runner first. Do you see these nicely scalloped edges? And it has some nice beadwork and embroidery on it. I absolutely love the color. It's a beautiful combination of beige and grey. A lovely runner like this, एकदम आप कुछ ऐसा यूज़ करेंगे तो immediately आपका जो space है वो elevate हो जाती है. So these little things, some of them, not all of it is from the same store, but this jewelry box is from the same place. These picture frames also I picked up from the same store. So I've done it up all in mustard and grey tones because that is what I'm going to be using in the room today. So for the bed, I am going to be using a cream off-white kind of a color quilted bed cover. This is from elsewhere, it's not from that place. But to break the cream, because I did not want everything to be all grey and all mustard, right? So उसे break करने के लिए मैंने cream add किया. But when you are sitting sometimes and you are working on your laptop or something and you are sitting right in front of the AC, मेरे bed के बिल्कुल opposite AC है. So while you are sitting, you don't want the AC quilt or the AC blanket out all the time. वो मतलब बड़ा room को messy बना देता है. So I prefer a throw kind of a thing. देखने में मुझे अच्छा लगता है and like I said, it's a multi-purpose thing. जब आपको सर्दी लगे तो आप उसे ओढ़ भी सकते हैं. या तो जब मुझे सर्दी लगती है तो उसे मैं थोड़ा सा ओढ़ भी लेती हूँ. बट यहाँ पर अभी मैं इसे एस्थेटिक उसके लिए यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. तो आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक द मोनोटनी ऑफ क्रीम विद ग्रे एंड देन ऐड द कुशन कवर्स. मैंने कुशन कवर्स के अंदर फिलर्स डाल के उन्हें रेडी कर लिया है. आई विल जस्ट प्लेस देम एंड आई विल शो यू हाउ दे लुक. सो दिस इज एन एंटायरली डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन एंड वेरी वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स. वेरी यूनिक, वेरी डिफरेंट. Normally आप नहीं देखेंगे mustard and grey का combination, but I quite like it. I hope you like how it has turned out. मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया. आप भी मुझे बताइए आपको कैसा लगा this color combination of mustard and grey and beige. बताइएगा ज़रूर. I always look forward to your comments and I shall definitely respond. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, then also let me know. है ना? And that is how I shall also improve by you all telling me your opinion. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. I am so grateful. Do subscribe to the channel and do remember to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. I am so grateful.